shade, fruits, and make the air clean.
Wow, then why are people cutting the trees?
Because people forget how important I am.
Yes, and they are cutting trees to build houses, buildings, factories, and to construct roads. If we cut trees, there is no rain, and the earth gets hot and polluted. Please plant more trees for me. I want to be green again. I have an idea. Let's celebrate green. Yes, on Green Day we will plant. Yes, on Green Day we will plant trees and keep our earth clean. Friends, will you help us?
Great idea! If every child plants one tree, Earth will be happy.